Look at this beautiful thing. I finally did it. I looked around at the junkyard and at the bottom of the shelf. This thing was sitting there. I finally have one, guys. I finally have one. This is an original IBM Model M keyboard. This one specifically is the year 1991. I even got this standard cable that ends with, standard PS2. I have one. It's dirty. I gotta clean it. All right, it's got some dirt. I think this was in a factory or something. So I had to clean it up. It is missing the cap for the escape key, but other than that, guys, it's all here. It's all here and it's all original. I don't know if it works. I'm gonna plug it in. It was 20 bucks. I paid $20 for it. But if it works, I got a deal. If not, I got nothing. So I'm gonna check it out. But look at these. Look at these. These are very interesting switches. These are like push switches. They're not like the ones that you see like Cherry MX switches. They're like they're a different proprietary one. But listen to this. They're linear. They have a linear feel. They don't really have a tactile bump, but you can actually hear the actuation. So awesome. So happy to have this thing. This is going to be awesome. Cannot wait to use this.